presidential tier list. If you find any flaws with this, you're wrong. 46, Joe Biden. 45, Donald Trump. 44, Obama. 43, George W. Bush. 42, Bill Clinton. 41, George H.W. Bush. 40, Ronald Reagan, the actor. 39, Jimmy Carter. 38, Gerald Ford. 37, this guy did Watergate. 36, he's got good years. 35, 34, Dwight D. Eisenhower. 33, this guy looks like a nerd. 32, Franklin D. Roosevelt. 31, Backseat. 30, Calvin Coolidge, nerd. 29, Warren G. Harding. 28, nerd. 27, William Howard Taft, GOAT. 26, GOAT. 27, William McKinley. 24, Grover Cleveland. 23, Benjamin Harrison. 22, Grover Cleveland. 21, Chester A. Arthur. 20, James A. Garfield. 19, Rutherford B. Hayes. 18, this guy was a general, I think. 17, Andrew Johnson. 16, the GOAT. 15, James Buchanan. 14, Edwin Pierce. 13, Laura Fillmore, my favorite. 12, Zachary Taylor. 11, Edward Pope. 10, John Tyler. 9, William Henry Harrison. 8, this guy that died after like a month with a nerd. 7, Andrew Jackson. 6, this guy the ball. 5, James Monroe. 4, James Madison. 3, Thomas Jefferson. 2, John Adams. And number 1, the greatest of all time, George Washington. Thank you for listening, and if you find anything wrong with this, you're wrong.